Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free items in Shein. The first method I'm going to suggest is through the use of Shein check-in points. Here, all you have to do is to log into your Shein account and then go to your profile. Tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner over here and then find this check-in button. Tap on it and you will automatically receive check-in points. This check-in points is equivalent to real money that you can use in checking out your orders. Another way is to give a review on items that you have just ordered. Just go to my order section and then navigate to review section. Items that you could review should appear here where you can post a comment and photos that you could get your points. And that's it. These methods mostly use the Shein points because this is the easy way you can get an item for free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!